Hi, I'm Meg Underwood. I am the Director of Professional Development and Outreach and your designated Handshake expert. So I'm going to show you how to research the employers coming to the fair and how to prepare. So on the Career Development tab, you can get to the Handshake tab here. I personally prefer doing my research on a computer because I am old and I like the view better than the app, but definitely available on the app as well. So within Handshake, I'm going to click on Events and then find the fair, whichever fair you're preparing to go to. And then you can see the details here. All employers or employers I'm following. I click there. Then you can see all the different employers coming. So there's lots of tools here for you to sort through. I do like this details page to expand because you can see the job titles they're hiring in and the type of jobs and with whom they're looking for. So sometimes I hear from people like, no one wants to talk to freshmen. Well, you can actually filter by who's looking to talk to freshmen, and I would say sophomores too, because by the end of this year you'll be a sophomore. So you can navigate them through there. There's still lots of employers. You can also go by who wants an intern, looking for an internship, who will hire international students. Lots of ways you can go through there, and by major. So for example, who's looking for accounting students? I do want to preface here that if somebody like an employer like MedPro, for example, is definitely looking for accounting students, but they will not show up here because they clicked on the button accepts all majors. So this short list here at least did go in and click which programs they're looking for, which majors. So worth it because you might think Fastenal, trade company, Allen County Library, why do they want accounting majors? But if you go into the actual job titles, you can see what they're looking for and then what school years and what type of information they're hoping to connect with. Sometimes the job is actually listed on Handshake, and sometimes it's not posted yet, but it could be soon. So I'm trying to find one that actually has a job on Handshake. Okay, here's one. Shamba & Sons actually has a job listed there, but they have other jobs they'll be hiring for in the future as well. It's always worth connecting with a company, even if you think they're not quite a fit for your major. It's okay to go in and say, like, I would love to work for Franklin Electric. I know you have an immersion excursion coming up. Can you tell me more about that? Or I see you don't currently have any accounting positions for freshmen on your website, but I'm curious about what an accounting intern would do. You can just ask them a question. The worst thing to do is to walk up to a table and say, do you hire accounting students? Or do you hire hospitality students? Well, it's just such a waste of time and your time when it's okay in the middle of the fair to step aside, look on your app real quick, see that they're hiring in internships, video broadcast part-time supervisors, and then walk up to the table and say, tell me more about the part-time supervisor. What type of qualities are you looking for there? It would be more worth your time to actually go to their website, look on their career page, try to have a better question, because to just say, are you hiring, or are you hiring my major? If you really want to work there, you could do some more in-depth questions like, tell me about a typical project I saw, or it says in the qualifications you have to have this. I think this is similar. Would you agree? That would be a better use of your time. But in the moment at the fair, it's okay to step aside, look on your phone, and then approach a table so you can ask a better question. Speaking of at the table, I want to remind you that it's okay then if they say, oh, no, we don't have any marketing positions. Those are usually done by another company, to just say, okay, well, thank you for your time and good luck with your search today. And that's it. And you walk away because the employer cannot walk away. So you have to. that's how you do your research for the fairs, and good luck to you.